Understanding audition rounds in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: audition rounds. This phrase is often used in the context of performances, competitions, and talent shows. So, if you're curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Audition rounds refer to the stages in a competition, especially in performing arts, where participants perform or present their skills in front of judges. These rounds are critical steps in selecting candidates for the next stages of the competition. Imagine a singing contest. During the audition rounds, singers perform various songs, and judges decide who moves forward. Audition rounds are not just about performing. They are a platform for showcasing talent, personality, and potential. They are the first impression a participant makes on the judges and audience. Excelling in these rounds is crucial for advancing in any competition, as they often determine who gets noticed and who doesn't. Let's see how to use this phrase in everyday English. 1. The audition rounds of the show were highly competitive. 2. She impressed the judges during the audition rounds with her unique voice. 3. Many talented performers were discovered during the audition rounds of the talent show. Notice how the phrase is used to describe a specific phase of a competition or event. And that's a wrap on audition rounds. Remember, this phrase is all about the initial stages of a competition where talents are showcased and judged. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand and use this phrase confidently. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.